Ensure that the pre-assembly device is operational. For more information, please refer to the respective operating instructions of the pre-assembly device. Insert the appropriate tools into the pre-assembly device. Use the pressure level table to determine the necessary assembly pressure by means of the outside diameter of the tube. The required pressure can be set by actuating and turning the rotary wheel. Press the rotary knob again to accept the set pressure. Push the union nut and the cutting ring over the end of the tube, one after another. Provide the cutting ring with suitable lubricant to facilitate assembly. Start the pre-assembly process. Now remove the pre-assembled tube. A visual inspection is mandatory after each pre-assembly. To do this, loosen the union nut and check the raised part of the collar. The cutting face must be at least 80% covered. The cutting ring is allowed to rotate on the tube. Remove any soiling before final assembly.